Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can disable auto download on WhatsApp. There are certain people in our contact list who kind of crave to forward messages. At the same time, there are people who send GIFs and videos, and how could we forget the good morning images? And if you are in any group, you will see this problem daily. However, there is one setting in WhatsApp after which you can stop the auto download of media files on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp. Tap on the three dot option present at the top. Click on settings. Go to storage and data. Here are the options. First, we have to click on when using mobile data option. Deselect all the options and click on OK. So do this thing with Wi-Fi as well and click on OK. Do this thing with roaming as well and click on OK. After this, media files won't get auto download on your WhatsApp. So this was the method. Apart from this, there is one more method with the help of which you can stop media files from showing up in your gallery. So for that, follow the given steps. Once again, click on three dot option, click on settings, go to chat, toggle this button which is media visibility button in off position. After this, media files will not show up in your gallery. If you want any other trick, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you very much.